In this video, we'll show you how to install and use the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app on your Shopify store. First, go to the Shopify App Store. Search for the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app. Click on Install. Then, proceed by confirming the installation. Now, the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app is successfully installed on your store. Let's take a quick walkthrough of what's inside the app. This is the dashboard page. You can follow the Getting Started guide to learn how to manage fraud validation rules, set up preferences, and how to run a test order. This is your license information, which includes your current plan, queries, API key, and more. Check your transaction summary for the last 7 days here. You can visit our articles or videos for step-by-step guides and expert tips. Next, let's go to the pricing page. You can upgrade your plan here if you need a higher number of queries or advanced features. You can find quick answers in our FAQ section. Then, let's go to the transaction page. You can view and manage your transactions here. Now, you know how to install the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app on Shopify. Protect your store today with smarter fraud detection.